sign. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You're watching live with Raja Hodar. I hope you're doing well and great time with your friends and family. So guys, the wait is over and now we are going to unbox our new Galaxy Samsung S25 Ultra, which is recently launched, and it was on the pre-order was going on, so I have ordered mine one. So now we are going to unbox it. Super excited. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm not very good in unboxing. There's nothing in a bag. So this is what they delivered to me. But oh my god. So excited, man. This is obviously the receipt. It is something really complicated. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, look at that. It's really nice. They changed the design of the box and there's nothing else in the box. So here we go guys. Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is recently launched, and now we are going to unbox it. This feeling guys. It was smooth. Just put it on the side. There's one seal in the bottom as well. Here we go. Bismillah. Oh my god, look at that new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To be honest, it's my dream phone, to be honest. And if we can we are going to unbox it properly, but as you can see, there is like a fingerprint marks on the back. But I don't know why it's so cold now, because the weather is so cold here. There's an S Pen as well, obviously. Unfortunately, they don't have a Bluetooth in this device. I don't know why Samsung does this. Not most of the people use it, but many of them use it. But you can't use it for the taking selfies and taking pictures. But anyway, a good design, bigger screen, and just put it on the side. Let's see what's else in the box. So we will get only this tiny box, so we got nothing else. There's just some paperwork, just put it on the sides, and only SIM injection pin and the cable. There's nothing else in the box, so we don't need these one, but just put it on the side for now. And let's come to the device. Look at this. There's a sticker. Wow. So turn it on. We will turn it on now. Here we go. It took a little bit of time, so I thought there is no charger, but there is some left. It's super quick, and here we go. The first look. I think we have to set the language as well. So yeah, it was a language something. So obviously English, United Kingdom. So I will set it up and then I'll get back to you. this is Neo Galaxy AI, so we will see what's new in this. And obviously there's like a Gemini, so you can make complex tasks simple with Gemini. You can translate your live calls, and obviously there's like summaries for the web page, and there's there's a lot of new things which we will make another review, a deep review, and then we will let you know. And here we go. Here we go. Brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra 1 TB. So we will see the camera quality, which, to be honest, I will make another video on it. I can see the change on the zooming side, which is obviously very easy now. I don't know why it took the picture. And obviously there is a new video mode now, so you can make up to 8K with 60 frames per second. Also you can make a log video as well. So I will make another video with the deep review. As you can see, there is a Neo One UI version 7.0, Android version 15. Battery and storages, it should be somewhere here. Yeah, as you can see, 1 TB, 12 GB, and 1 TB. So this is all for now, but I will make another video. So there's one more change. So as you can see, if you drag from the right side, you will open this one, and if you want to see the settings and your notifications, you have to drag from the left side. And if you want to change your setting or quick setting, you have to drag from the right side.
So now we are going to do the speed test. Also, I will try the camera because, to be honest, I literally like it. The zoom button and everything, it's literally changed it. And even when I try it, it's, to be honest, our results are super amazing. And I would definitely make another vlog of detail review. But as you can see, look at that, the camera is, to be honest, I'd really like it till now. Sorry about that. Just a second. So here we go. The video quality and everything, as you can see, the smooth zoom is available as well, and literally so detailing, too much detail here. There's so many other options of cameras. I will definitely do a detailed review, but there's some filters option, everything, and now I'm going to do the speed test. I haven't signed it yet, but I will do it definitely. But I'm just looking for the speed test. It's literally 120 hertz rate for now, as default. So it's to be honest, it's very fast. I can imagine because I have S22, S23 Ultra, and S24 Ultra as well. Now I got this device and it's super quick because of the latest AI version, latest software version, and obviously the Snapdragon 8 Eli, which is, to be honest, on the latest one. And now I've clicked some pictures already, but the speed is very nice. I've done everything of later on, and I will make another video obviously, but the speed is super quick. And if I will talk about the protection, it's Gorilla Armor 2, and to be honest, it's the Samsung Beast phone. You can say it's a beast phone. Now I'm going to search something on the Google search. Obviously I will search my name, and let's see. Of course you can find me, and if you haven't subscribe it right now. And also, as you can see on the older devices, click to search, and obviously if you can search anything on the screen you can find it. And obviously you can find me on YouTube.
The color is titanium gray, as you can see.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, just subscribe it. If you like the video, just press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Then I will see you on the next video of detailed review of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stay tuned and take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Too many racks, designer on my way. She feeling me.